So hey guys, we are here at the KTM showroom in Kanjurmarg. So I got my bike from here itself, and as we can see, this is the 2017 Duke 200 and this is the 2017 the fresh brand new Duke 250. So this is the most important thing. Unfortunately we don't have Duke 390 over here, but they promised that it will come after a couple of days. So let's see this first, because this is the most anticipated thing, one of the most anticipated thing. So the looks, in terms, this is a completely new design inspired by the Duke 690R and the Super Duke. The similar kind of the design is coming in 390 Duke, but we can see it after a few days. So the major things in this is that it is a 250cc engine which produces around 31 bhp of power at about 24 Newton meters of torque. So the main thing you can see here is exhaust. This is completely new exhaust, and I guess it is a similar kind of exhaust we see on the new 390 Duke. Then we have some additional protector for the shock up. We have a completely new gear shift lever, and also the radiator guard is designed pretty differently. Fuel capacity on this bike is around 13 liters, so it is more as compared to the old models. So this is good for touring buddies who are all out there. Completely new headlight setup, similar to Duke 390. Of course the Duke 390 would be a little different, but this looks the same. Now guys, the instrument cluster here is not like Duke 390, the new one. So we have a completely new DLR. These are really good. Then we have the exhaust, and then the addition of the slipper clutch, which would make shifting the gears pretty easy as compared to the Duke 390. It'll be kind of the same thing. Then we got the same tires. The tire assembly is not changed, but definitely the rear section is changed, guys. As you can see, this hood is changed. It is designed in a sleek manner, and the tail light is changed. We also have a beautiful graphic 250 written here on the tail section, which gives it a really improved approach, I can say. Even the graphics on the front is awesome. We also have one more color here on this variant, but it is not here right now. So this bike weighs around 149 kgs dry curb weight, and it has a ground clearance of 185 millimeters. So it's good for touring purpose. As I said, you can see the new engine guard at the bottom. It is also changed, and it is pretty rigid now. Also the new chassis and the new frame, it is inspired from the 690 Duke R. Now guys, I'll talk about the suspension. This is the adjustable suspension in terms of height. So you can use this and lower the height of the bike down or up. So of course it won't be a big difference, but itna difference bhi hua to bahut badi baat hai. And if you want to do off-roading, if you are going on off track, you can lift your bike up using the adjustable suspension, and that works really good. Now when we talk about the seal problems that we already have on the KTMs, this one, the dust seal is different. It is imported from Japan, I guess, and it is of SKF. So it should eliminate the problem of the oil seal that we get on the Duke and the RC range. Also the new RC has the same kind of oil seal. And yes, how can we forget the seat? So the seat seems to be soft, of course more soft than the earlier one, and it is kind of bassy, so it is not on the upper side. You have this down portion in the bottom, and then you lift up from here. And the rear seat is also definitely softer than the earlier seats. So yes, it is extended till here to give more rigidity and more agility when you drive. And let's hear the exhaust note from the bike. And when we talk about the tires, we have the MRF revs on this bike, so you don't get Metzeler's here, you get MRF revs, and then these are the new tires. It is supposed to be sticky, so only when it comes on the road and hits the road we'll find out. But in all, a very good package by KTM, which fills the middle gap between the 390 and the 200. And well, this is priced around 2 lakh 2.01, 2 lakh 1,000 on road and here in Mumbai, and I feel it is a good choice if you don't want to spend heavy on the 390. Of course, the 390, new 390 will be very expensive, more than 2.50. But yes, if you want a good bike around 2 lakh rupees, this one is the best choice. Well, now let's talk about the Duke 200, shall we? So nothing much changed in this model. You know, the old model is there, as you can see. Not much of changes, but yes, visible changes you can see here are the alloy wheels. These are the orange alloy wheels that you get on the Duke 390, that one. The main steal out here is that it is BS4 compliant, so the emission standards are regulated, we can say, and it has also got the MRF revs tire, so should give a good grip. Also, this kind of new graphics which enrich the color of the bike, you see, orange, black and white, and that's about it. These are the small changes in Duke 200. So if you want the old model, you have this. If you have a little bit of extra cash, you buy this, and if you have more cash, 390, it is coming. So guys, we are back on 2015 KTM. So I'm really excited about the new launches that KTM did. You know, there was a gap between Duke 200 and Duke 390. So they pretty much nailed the gap. Duke 250 is a very good package, guys. 2 lakh 1,000 on road in Mumbai. It is a very good package if you are if you want to spend around 2 lakh rupees. You know, that bike can do wonders in terms of touring. The reason you should buy the Duke 200 is because the new Duke 390 is gonna cost you hell lot of money, around 2 lakh 60,000. Get ready, guys, around 2 lakh 60,000 rupees you need to buck up for the new 390. So the old Duke 390 is available. If you guys want to buy it, you can buy it at the Kanchan showroom here in Kanjurmarg, KTM Vikhroli, or Kanjurmarg, KTM East we call it, East Mumbai. And you'll get a discount of 10,000 rupees offer going on the 2016 Duke 390, that will get 3 years of zero depth insurance if you get it. Also a 10,000 rupees discount, so around 2 lakh 20,000 on road you'll get this bike, the 2016 model, which is a steal deal and which will end once the stock is complete. So guys, if you want to buy Duke 390, if you are ready to buy it, the old model, rush up to the showroom and buy, because वो बिक जाएगा 100%, वो जल्दी बिक जाएगा. And once it is gone, guys, it is gone. You won't get this model now. Once that is gone, the new Duke 390 would take the lead and it will set a benchmark. So the only thing I expected from Duke 250 is that it should have had ABS as an option at least. It doesn't have, so you're spending 2 lakh rupees and you don't get ABS, but you know, that's okay. But option to hona chahiye tha. I believe option should be there. Let me know in the comment section below if you like the Duke 250 and the new Duke 200, and please share this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys in some other place in some another vlog. Until next time, peace out.